right. Game 4, first period against the Leafs. Tough team, so hang in there, guys. Ryan is playing right defense. Body, buddy. That's right. There you go. There you go. There you go. Stay in front of him. Good job. Nope, don't just hit it, man. Go, Rye. Go, Rye. Good job, buddy. Nice. Go, go, go. Turn it up, Joey. Turn it up. Go, Joey. Go, Joey. Nice. Fantastic hustle. Pinch up, Rye. Get up there. All right. Wheel, wheel, wheel. Turn. Go. Oh, way to take him out, right? That's fine. Turn right back. Body. Good job, Ryan. Good job. Good job, body. Good job. Look out. Good job. Oh, the ref's in the way. Good job. There we go. Come on. Nope. Stay in front of him. Come on, Zach. There you go. There you go, Fresco. Use your body. Go, 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 go. Go, man, go, go. No stick handling. No stick handling. Gotta pass that thing. Oh, no. Good job. Yep. Keep with him. Keep with him. Good job, boys. Ryan, right defense. Go. Go back. Go back. Nice, Ryan. Nice job. Way to read it. That's fine. Fantastic job. Way to read the play, man. Great job, Ryan. Nice. Nope, nope, get over right, get over right. There you go. Nice shot, Mark. Oh, I like it. Oh, there it is, right? Get it over. Oh, right there. Nice. Oh, I like those two on defense together. Good call. I like it. I like it. Great matchup. I like those two on defense together. Mark and Ryan. Love you too. Get it. There it is. Turn it. So close. Oh, there it is. Oh, that was like a head tackle. There it is. Look up. Over the boards. Nice job. Nice. Get it. Get it. Turn it up. Just get it. Turn to go. Turn to go, buddy. There we go. Shoot on goal from right there. Rip it. Rip it. Nice job, guys. defense. You know, it wouldn't be the same, but I had to give Ryan some Prevail Max Spray. Today, I only went with one this game, so let's see. Get up there, buddy. Oh. All right, Zach, come out. No, don't go backwards. Come out. There we go. Oh, no, no, no! You can't kick that back out. Get it. There we go, Ryan. Go, Joey. Go, Joey. Go, Joey. Dump it. Great, great. Nice job. Go. Nice. Zach, you can't do that. You can't kick that back out. Let's go, Zach. Don't give him any rebounds. All right, Ryan's left defense. Oh, go, go. Nice. Stay over there. Go. Go, Joey. Go, Joey. Go, Joey. Nice. I like it, man. I like it. Everyone's hustling. Let's keep this going the whole game. Oh, nice. Oh, get it. Hold it in. Shoot it. Nice. Good job, buddy. Nice. Great job. Okay. Good job, Zach. Good job, buddy. Got Coach Paps over there. Coach Rob drawing up some mad plays to score. Oh, back check, guys, back check. Turn, there you go, take him to the outside. Nice, run him into the ground. Whoa, nice. Go, 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 go. Keep with it, buddy. Spread out, body. Get on it. Oh, there we go, spread out. Oh, there we go, oh, go. Yeah, nice job, Fresco. Fresco went with the bury that kid approach. Go! Go! Don't be afraid of it, guys. Take it and run. Dump it in. Okay, stop right there. Nice job. Pass it over fast. There you go. There it is. Oh, get up there, get up there. Oh, there's a penalty somewhere. Oh, good. They got a penalty. There's our wounded battler over there. There you go, Ryan. Nice. Way to hit it low, Ryan. Good thinking, bud. Go. Good up, Joe. Nice pass. Oh, great passing, guys. Nice, nice. Hold on, go. Nice passing, guys. Oh, get him, Ryan. That's fine. Stay upright, stay upright. Get up there. job, buddy. I got you guys a gift in my camera bag. Good job. What's up, buddy? How are you? There it is. There. Nice job, go right. Oh my God, great idea. Oh, get back, Ryan. Go up there, go up, pinch up, pinch up. Nice job, Ryan. Playing fantastic defense. Go, Mark, go, Mark, go, Mark. Take your time, nice. Right there, Ryan. Get up, get up. Oh, Joey, you're super fast. Nice save. Nice. Good job, Joey. Great back check. Great back check, guys. Wow. Great job, guys. Go. Oh, no, 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 no. No! Oh, shit! Go, 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 go! Turn it up, turn it up! Oh, go. Oh, good try. Over, 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 over. Oh, there it is. Get him, Zeke, get him, Zeke. Nice. Oh! Always look. Go. Whoa. Whoa, no, don't play with it. Off the boards. No, don't, no, no. No. Oh my God. Get it, get it. Nice. Get that thing out of here. I still like. Uh-oh. Go. Get it out! There we go. There we go. 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 Get it out. Offside. Oh. Hold it! Oh. Woo! Holy cow, that's a nail biter. All right. You're doing good. Go, 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 turn! Wheel, baby, go, 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 go! Go! Oh! Go, Ryan! Go, go, go! Hustle, hustle. Good job, Ryan. Look out! Oh, whoo! Eesh. Holy tamale! Oh God! Okay. Come on. Oh, nice. No, no, no. No, watch the back door. Oh, great save, Zach. Great save, buddy. Go, get out there, winger. Get out there, Zeke. Go, go, Zeke. Go. Oh, tripping. Nice. I say penalty shot. Ow. How in the world is their coach saying not tripping? Apparently he was watching a different game or no game at all. Ooh. 1 minute, 54 seconds left. 0-0. Both teams are playing fantastic. Actually love watching this type of hockey. Come on, let's go. Come on. Oh, no. Get ready, Zach. Get ready, Zach. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Oh. Go, 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 go. Turn, go, go, go. Pass it up. Oh, man. Get up. Oh, good job, Zach. Come on, guys. Get it out. Get it out. Pass it up. Go, Zeke. Oh, man. He's got to get one of these sometime soon. Oh. That's fine. We'll take it. Oh, it's not outside. Go, Ryan. Get up there. Oh, pass it over, Mark. Go, 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 back. Get up there. Oh. Back check. Go right there. Go, Ryan. Turn it up. Go, Ryan. Go, Ryan. Oh! So close. Back to Ryan. Back to Ryan. Oh! Oh! Look out! Oh. Go. Go, Ryan! Oh, ref, I can't see. Oh, oh, good try. Ah! Good job, man. Good hustle. 0.6 seconds. All right. 0-0 into the first period. Great period.